Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a luxurious adventure on wheels, the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a masterpiece of engineering and elegance, redefining the standards of travel and comfort. So, grab a seat, relax, and let's take you on a tour of what might just be the ultimate way to explore the world. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Mercedes Motorhome has a commanding presence on the road. From the very first glance, you can tell this isn't your ordinary RV. The sleek aerodynamic design ensures not only a modern and stylish appearance but also improved fuel efficiency. The front fascia is distinctly Mercedes, with a bold grille featuring the iconic three-pointed star logo. LED headlights with adaptive functionality illuminate the road ahead, ensuring optimal visibility in all conditions. The body is crafted with lightweight yet durable materials, blending strength and efficiency seamlessly. The chrome accents, large panoramic windows, and streamlined profile exude a sense of sophistication that sets it apart from other motorhomes. Step inside, and you'll be transported into a world of luxury that rivals some of the finest hotels. Mercedes has gone all out to ensure this motorhome feels like a home away from home. The interior design is a perfect blend of modern aesthetics and practicality. High-quality materials like leather, wood, and brushed aluminum dominate the cabin, giving it a premium feel. The living area is where the magic truly happens. Spacious and thoughtfully designed, it features plush seating that can be reconfigured for various purposes. The sofas and chairs are not just comfortable but also equipped with massage and heating functions. A state-of-the-art entertainment system with a large 4,000 OLED screen and surround sound speakers ensures you're never far from your favorite movies, shows, or music. And yes, there's even a retractable projector for those who want the full cinema experience. Large windows allow for plenty of natural light during the day and can be covered with blackout blinds for a peaceful night. And if you're a fan of stargazing, there's even a skylight right above the bed. Moving on to the bathroom, Mercedes has truly outdone itself here. Forget what you know about cramped and basic RV bathrooms. This one feels more like a spa. The spacious shower features a rainfall shower head, customizable water temperature, and even a steam function. The vanity area includes a backlit mirror, plenty of storage, and premium fixtures that wouldn't look out of place in a five-star hotel. There's even a heated floor to keep you comfortable on chilly mornings. One of the standout features of the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome is its smart technology integration. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a smart home on wheels. Using the Mercedes app or the onboard control panel, you can manage virtually every aspect of the motorhome. Adjust the lighting, temperature, and entertainment system, or monitor energy consumption and water levels, all with a few taps or voice commands. The motorhome also supports over-the-air updates, ensuring your tech stays cutting edge. Of course, a motorhome is only as good as its ability to get you where you want to go. The 2025 Mercedes Motorhome doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. Powered by a hybrid powertrain, it offers both impressive performance and eco-friendliness. The diesel-electric engine provides ample power for smooth acceleration and confident towing, while the electric mode allows for quiet and emission-free travel, perfect for campsites or urban areas. The motorhome also features advanced suspension and handling systems, ensuring a comfortable and stable ride no matter the terrain. Safety is a top priority for Mercedes, and this motorhome is packed with cutting-edge features to keep you and your loved ones secure. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system are just a few of the advanced driver assistance technologies on board. The motorhome also includes an advanced braking system and multiple airbags, providing peace of mind on every journey. Storage is another area where the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome shines. Exterior compartments offer plenty of space for all your outdoor gear, from bikes and kayaks to camping chairs and grills. Inside, clever storage solutions ensure every inch of space is utilized efficiently. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, you'll have all the room you need for your belongings. For those who love outdoor living, this motorhome has you covered. The built-in retractable awning provides shade and shelter, creating the perfect spot to relax and enjoy the scenery. There's even an outdoor kitchenette, complete with a grill, sink, and mini fridge, making it easy to cook and dine al fresco. And let's not forget the exterior entertainment system, featuring a weatherproof TV and speakers, so you can watch the game or enjoy music under the stars. Mercedes has also thought about sustainability with the 2025 Motorhome. Solar panels on the roof provide renewable energy to power the motorhome systems, reducing your reliance on traditional energy sources. The motorhome also features a water filtration system, allowing you to use water from various sources without worrying about quality. These eco-friendly features not only help the environment but also enhance your ability to go off the grid and explore more remote locations. Customization is another key aspect of the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome. Buyers can choose from a range of layouts, finishes, and features to create a motorhome that perfectly suits their needs and style. Whether you prioritize more living space, additional sleeping quarters, or upgraded technology, there's an option for everyone. Mercedes offers a variety of packages and add-ons, ensuring your motorhome is as unique as your adventures. For those who need to stay connected on the road, the motorhome is equipped with advanced connectivity options. High-speed Wi-Fi, multiple USB ports, and wireless charging stations ensure you're always in touch, whether you're working remotely, streaming content, or keeping in contact with friends and family. The motorhome also includes a satellite communication system, providing reliable connectivity even in remote areas. Driving the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome is a pleasure, thanks to its advanced cockpit design. The driver's seat is ergonomic and fully adjustable, providing excellent visibility and comfort for long drives. The dashboard features a large digital display with intuitive controls, giving you access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle information at a glance. The steering wheel includes multifunctional buttons, allowing you to manage various settings without taking your hands off the wheel. And with Mercedes' advanced voice assistant, you can control many features simply by speaking. Fuel efficiency is another highlight of this motorhome. The hybrid powertrain and aerodynamic design combine to deliver impressive mileage for a vehicle of its size. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating winding mountain roads, you'll appreciate the balance of power and efficiency. And with a large fuel tank and extended battery range, you can go further between stops, giving you more time to enjoy the journey. Finally, let's talk about cost and availability. While the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome is undoubtedly a premium product, it offers incredible value for those who demand the best in comfort, technology, and performance. Pricing starts at a competitive level, considering the features and luxury on offer, with various financing and leasing options available. Mercedes dealerships are already taking orders, and the first deliveries are expected early this year. If you're considering upgrading your travel experience, now is the time to act. In conclusion, the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or new to the world of motorhomes, this masterpiece offers everything you could ever want and more. From its stunning design and luxurious interior to its advanced technology and eco-friendly features, it's clear that Mercedes has set a new standard for motorhomes. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your next adventure and experience the world like never before. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Let us know in the comments what feature you're most excited about or where you take this incredible motorhome. Until next time, happy travels.